Today I'm cooking a simple one-dish meal, stir-fry bean sprout with tofu and salted fish. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 600 grams of bean sprout, washed and cleaned, 60 grams of red chilli, 70 grams of spring onions, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, half tablespoon of sugar, 35 grams of salted fish. This is what it looks like. 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour, 200 grams of firm tofu, 200 ml of cooking oil for deep frying. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Start with cutting the firm tofu into smaller pieces. With 1 block of firm tofu, I am cutting it into 32 small pieces. Do the same for the rest of the tofu blocks. Alright, now the tofu is ready. Sprinkle tapioca flour to coat the tofu. Adding in more flour if the tofu is still wet. This should be enough. Leave it aside. Switch on the heat. Put 200 ml of cooking oil in the pan. Wait for about 4 minutes until the oil is hot and ready for frying. Once the oil is hot, add the tofu pieces one by one to avoid them from getting stuck together. Separate any tofu that is stuck together and fry for 5 minutes or until crispy and golden brown on one side. Then turn to the other side and cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until crispy and golden brown. Alright, the tofu is ready. Remove it from the pan with the strainer. Shake a little to drip off the excess oil. Leave it aside. Switch off the heat. Remove the excess oil from the pan, leaving about 3 tablespoons to fry the garlic. Switch on the heat. Put in all the garlic and stir fry for 2 minutes or crispy and brown. After 2 minutes, the garlic is ready. Switch off the heat. Remove from the pan and leave it aside. Switch on the heat again. With some oil left in the pan, put in the salted fish and fry it for about 20 seconds. Turn the fish to the other side, cooking it for another 30 seconds. Once the salted fish is almost cooked, use a spatula to break it a little so that the inside will be cooked as well. Cook the fish for about 3 seconds. Switch off the heat. Remove the salted fish and leave it aside. Remove the excess oil from the pan as well, leaving about 1 tablespoon of the flavored oil in the pan. Switch on the heat, add in all the bean sprouts and red chilli, stir and mix. Cover the pan and leave it to cook for 2 minutes. Stir in between to cook evenly. After 2 minutes, the bean sprouts are cooked. Notice that there is a lot of gravy released like this. Tilt the pan a little to scoop all the gravy out from the pan and discard it. Put the pan back on the stove. Add in all the sugar, light soy sauce, and spring onions. Stir for 10 to 15 seconds or until well combined. Switch off the heat. Add in cooked salted fish, smashing it into smaller pieces before adding them all into the pan. Add in all the fried tofu and stir to mix. Add in the fried garlic, lightly stirring once again. Now I can give it a taste. Wow, this is delicious. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it's already tasty. For the best taste and texture, I recommend serving it immediately after cooking. Let's eat! It's tasty. The bean sprouts are cooked perfectly and still crunchy. The salted fish enhance the flavor of the whole dish. and there is a subtle hint of spiciness from the chili. The tofu is crispy on the outside and soft from the inside as well. This is perfect for the main and side dish. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.